Hi student, this is class 6 chapter 10 and today I am going to the exercise 10.1. Here question number 1 is given. Find the perimeter of each of the following figures. So here figures are given in your book, also drawn on the board, so I am taking one by one. Here the part A is given, that figure is given, here sides are given 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 5 centimeter. As we know that the perimeter will be the sum of all the sides. So here we are going to find the sum 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5, answer will be the 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter will be the perimeter. Now going to the B part, here the sides are given 35, 23, 35, 40. So perimeter will be the again sum of all sides 35, 23, 35, 40. Sum will be the 133 centimeter. Now going to the C part, here the sides are given 15, 15, 15 centimeters. So perimeter will be the sum of all the sides. So 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. Total will be the 60 centimeter. Now going to the D part. Here one pentagon is given, that having the side. It is the regular pentagon because all sides are same. So here perimeter will be the sum of all the sides. So 5 times 4 we are going to add. Then answer will be the 20 centimeter. Now going to the E part. In the given figure. Figure is given in your book like this. The figure is given. And here we have to find out the first of all we are going to find out perimeter of one leg. So perimeter of one leg is 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 centimeter. So answer will be the 13 centimeter. Now here as we know that 4 legs are given. So perimeter of all 4 legs will be 4 into 13. That means 52 centimeter. Now going to the F part. Here figure is also given in your book. The perimeter is sum of all the sides. So if we are going to add all the sides, then answer will be the 15 centimeter. Now going to the question number 2, solution. Question is given in your book. I am going to the solution. Here, as according to the question, the lid of the rectangular box of side 40 cm by 10 cm is sealed all around with tape. What is the length of the tape required? So here required length of the tape will be equal to the perimeter of the rectangular box. So as we know that perimeter of the rectangle is equals to the, that is formula 2 plus 2 bracket L plus B. So here 2 length is given 40 centimeter, breadth is given 10. So answer will be the 2 into 40 plus 10 means 50 centimeter and multiplied, then sum will be the 100 centimeter. So required length of the tape will be the 100 centimeter. Now going to the question number 3. A table top is given. A table top of measure 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the table top? So as we know that here L is given 2 meter 25 centimeter converted into the meter 2.25 meter and breadth is given 1 meter 50 centimeter, so it will be converted 1.50 meter. Now both are converted into meter and as we know that perimeter of the tabletop is equals to the 2 length plus breadth. So 2.25 plus 1.50 and then sum will be the 3.75 multiplied with the 2, then it will be the 7.50 meter, or we can say that 7 meter 50 centimeter. Now going to the question number 4. Here the question number 4 is given that what is the length of the wooden strip required to frame the photograph of length and breadth 32 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively. So here length is given 32 centimeter and breadth is given 21 centimeter. Length of the wooden strip is equals to the perimeter of the frame. So perimeter of the frame is, that is, it is given rectangular shape. So it is 2 bracket L plus B. 2 place the values. L is given 32, B is given 21. Getting sum. So sum will be the 53 and 2 multiplied with the 2. Answer will be the 106 centimeter. Now going to the question number 5. Here in the question number 5, one piece of land is given whose length is given 0.7 kilometer and the breadth is given 0.5 kilometer. And we are going to take the 4 round of wire. So we have to find out the length of the wire required. So here length of the wire for 1 round. First of all we have to check that what the length will be required for 1 row. So for the 1 row it is equal to the perimeter of the land. So it will be 2 L plus B. That means 2 0.7 plus 0.5 kilometer. So it will be the 2 into 1.2. Then here answer will be the 2.4 kilometers. Now total length for 4 round, that means 4 rows, that is 2.4 is multiplied with the 4. Then total kilometers will be the length of the wire will be the 9.6 kilometers. Now going to the question number 6. Here the question number 6 is given that find the perimeter of each of the following shape. So here different shapes are given. In the first shape, part A, the triangle of side 3, 4 and 5. So here as we know that whenever the all different sides are given, so that time perimeter is equals to the sum of sides. So here 3 plus 4 plus 5 centimeter, that means total 12 centimeter. In the B part, here the equilateral triangle is given. As we know that in equilateral triangle all three sides are equal. So perimeter is equals to the 3 into side. So here 3 into 9 centimeter, that means 27 centimeter. Now going to the third part, here the question is given that one triangle is given whose two sides are similar and one side is different. One of the similar side is 8 centimeter and third side is given 6 centimeter. So here perimeter of the triangle will be sum of all the sides. So 1 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Sum will be the 22 centimeter. Now the question 7 is given similar like that. So I am skipping. I am going to the question number 8. In the question number 8, question saying that find the perimeter of the regular hexagon with each side measuring 8 meter. So here we have to take regular hexagon. First of all, I would like to clear that what is the mean of regular. A regular means any figure, any shape that having the all sides equal, that is called regular. So if here hexagon means having the 6 side, that means regular hexagon means having a shape having 6 equal sides. So here perimeter will be the 6 into side. So 6 into 8 meter, answer will be the 48 meter. Now going to the question number 9. In the question number 9 it is given that find the side of square whose perimeter is 20 meter. Here the reverse question is given. Here perimeter is given and we have to find out the side. As perimeter of the square is 20 meter given, but perimeter is equals to 4 into side. As we know that this is formula. So we will place this, that side is equal to the perimeter upon 4. So side is equal to the perimeter upon 4, that means 20 meter upon 4. So side will be the 5 meter. Now going to the question number 10. The perimeter of regular pentagon is given 100 centimeter. How long is its each side? So here perimeter of the regular pentagon is given 100 centimeter. As we know that in pentagon there will be the 5 sides. So length of the side is equals to the perimeter upon 5. So that means 100 upon 5, that means one side is equals to the 20 centimeter. That means each side will be 20 centimeter of length. Now going to the question number 11. Here the one length of the string is given, that is 30 centimeter, and in the parts, different parts, we are going to bend the string in different shapes. In the part first, we have to find the side of square. We are going to bend this string into a shape of a square. So here side of square will be the total perimeter. This length of the string will be the perimeter. So perimeter upon square having the 4 sides. So that means 30 centimeter upon 4. That means one side will be the, each side will be the 7.5 centimeter. Now this string is converted into the shape equilateral triangle. So here as we know that in equilateral triangle there will be the 3 sides, 3 equal sides. So 30 centimeter upon 3 is equal to, that means each side will be the 10 centimeter. Now in the third part, it is converted, that means string is bended in the shape of a regular hexagon. As we know that in hexagon there are the 6 equal sides. So that means 30 centimeters divided by the 6. So answer will be the 5 centimeter. Now going to the question number 12. Here the question number 12 is given that two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is also given 36 centimeter. What is the third side? So let us consider that third side is x. So according to question, perimeter of triangle is equals to the sum of sides. Perimeter is already given 36 centimeter and sum of sides will be 12 centimeter, 14 centimeter. One is unknown. We have to find out the value of this. So x is equals to the 36 minus sum of these two sides. 36 minus sum of these two sides will be 26 centimeter. So answer will be the 10 centimeter. That means length of the third side will be 10 centimeter. Now going to the question number 13. Length of side. Here the question is given find the cost of the fencing a square park of side 250 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. So length of the side is given 250 meter. As we know that perimeter of the square shape is equals to the 4 into side. So 4 into 250 meter, that means 1000 meter. Hence cost of the fencing will be the rupees 1000 meter multiplied with the rate is given 20 rupees. So 1000 multiplied 20. So answer will be the rupees 20,000. Now going to the question number 14. Here in this question again, question is saying that find the cost of the fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter. Here length is given 175 meter and breadth is given 125 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. So first of all we have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter will be the 2 into L plus B, that means 2 into 175 plus 125, that means it will be the 2 into 300 meter, that means 600 meter. Now cost of the fencing, so we have to multiply this 600 by the 12 because rate is given 12. So 600 into 12, 12 6 is 72 and 0, that means 7,200 rupees will be the cost of fencing. Now going to the question number 15. Here in the question number 15 given, Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. So first of all we have to find out the length covered by Sweetie, that is equal to the perimeter of the square park. So 4 into side, this is formula, equals to the 4 into 75 because side is given 75 meter. So answer will be the 300 meter. So length covered by Sweetie is 300 meter. Now we are going to that length covered by Bulbul. Bulbul is running around a rectangular park. So perimeter of the rectangle, it is 2L plus B. Sides of rectangle are given 2 bracket L is given 60 and B is given 45. So sum will be the 105. 2 multiplied 105. Now the product will be the 210 meter. So distance covered by, length covered by Bulbul is 210 meter. Now question is asking that who covers less distance. So we are watching that Sweetie covered 300 meter and Bulbul covered 210 meters. So simply Bulbul covers less distance. Now going to the question number 17 because 16 is given similar question, that is figure basis. We have already done like this. So we are going to the question number 17. In the question number 17, one figure is given in your book. Avneet buys 9 square paving slabs, each with a side of 1.5 meter. So side of square slab is given 1 by 2 meter, that means 0.5 meter. In the figure first, whatever the shape is given part A, what is the perimeter of his arrangement? So here in the first arrangement, that is like this is given. Here the total 9 slabs are used. So here as this side is 0.5, so 0.5, 0.5, 3 times, that means it will be the 1.5 meter. Length will be the 1.5 meter and it is square shape, so width will be the same. So here perimeter will be the 4 into side. Side is 1.5 meter. So total perimeter will be the 6.0 meter. Now going to the B part. In the B part, Sherry does not like this arrangement, his arrangement. She gets him to lay them out like a cross. What is the perimeter of her arrangement? So in this shape, wherever she done the cross shape, so here perimeter of one leg, like previously we have already done. Here we are going that is this shape. So first of all we have to find out the perimeter of one leg. So perimeter of one leg multiplied with the 4 because 4 legs are given, multiplied with the 4. So here perimeter will be the 4 into 2.5 meter, then it will be the 10 meter. Now in C part, question is asking that which has greater perimeter. So as we know that in first part it is perimeter is given 6 meter, in the B part the perimeter is 10 meter. So figure second has the greater perimeter. Okay, now going to the D part. In the D part, Avneet wondered if there is a way of getting an even greater perimeter. Can you find a way of doing this? So as we are going to the different method, we are going to arrange them differently, then we are getting that no possible. There is no possible arrangement to get the greater perimeter than this. Thank you.